So I've been like studying what's this book I have here? Like quantum theory. I've been learning
Oh,
about quantum
fun,
theory.
fun.
Fun, exactly. And
Yeah,
I'm like getting kind of the answers of the questions that I've had. And like I'm very curious about like the future and the 21st century and like what is all going on. Um so I'm kind of familiar with like some of these terms that you're using. Are you using a quantum computer?
no,
Okay. Where would
but
that come into play then? Like
I
quantum
have
computing.
the quantum computing is like a completely, I mean, it uses semiconductors, of course. It
Okay.
uses gold as a material and other
Yeah.
semiconductors, and even gallium nitride is being used in it. But it again talks about the application part of it. But I
Okay.
am in the process part, like it's way below the application part. It's
Okay.
like
Wait. So
if you,
yeah,
yeah,
elaborate on like you said the process part and then the what part?
the application part. So
Application.
quantum computing is used for solving complex mathematical equations which cannot be solved by a normal computer, right? Like if a normal computer, if you give it a problem of probability and statistics, and if you ask it to solve like any one of the millennial problems in mathematics, it will take like, I mean, I have visited a quantum computer in Sweden, so I know a bit about this, so I'm saying it. It's like it'll take 350 years to solve a complex problem, but with the quantum computer, you can solve it in 5 minutes because it has the number of iterations that it does per second. I mean, it's incomparable to what a normal computer does. It's not just about cores, it's just about assuming the binary data, and there are millions of binary data that your normal computer processes, right?
Mhm.
And just imagine that these binary data are just transformed into a wave. Instead of zeros and ones, you have wave, and imagine like instead of millions of data, you just have a line describing what's happening to your equation. And this line is connected between two entangled states. I know that I'm going into the physics deep just a bit, but it's about eliminating numbers because each number has a memory, all right? Like
So
binary
then
data.
it's less data to process.
Exactly, exactly. It's like it simplifies the number amount of data that you have to process. But then again, it's like completely different from my field, although I know a bit about it, but I'm not the master in it to explain to you a lot.